Bedroom is a place where you go to escape from the rush of the day, recharge for the next, and dream about what's to come. That's why it is very necessary for your room to be a direct reflection of your taste and style. Hello everyone, I am Priya and you're watching Home Essentials. Today's video is all about bedroom decor in a very minimal way. I'm not gonna use a bed here. Instead, I'm gonna put the mattress on the floor. Still, it's gonna be very comfortable and stylish. So without further ado, let's begin. So this is the room which I'm gonna decorate. So just have a look of the room. So in today's video, I'm gonna use Emma mattress. It is the most awarded mattress in the world. It is made up of natural and eco-friendly materials that is 100% vegan and organic. This is how the box looks like. Now it's time for unboxing. It is very nicely packed. This mattress is ideal for all the body types, plus it is having zero motion transfer, therefore uninterrupted restful sleep. So the company gives you 100 days trial period, 11 years warranty, free delivery and returns. Mattress comes in different sizes, but the one which I am showing is 78 by 72 by 8 inches. The 8 inches height gives you a good body alignment and spine support. Along with the mattress, they had given a zipper cover which is made up of breathable material as well as anti-allergic material. You can easily take out the cover and it is machine washable also. So when you'll open these zipper cover, you can see there are different layers inside. And the material of the cover is very soft. This is all about Emma mattress. If you want to know more or buy it, I had given link in the description box. Now it's time to put on a bed sheet. So I love the color of this bed sheet. It's a silk bed sheet, and then I'm gonna put some cushion and pillow covers along with it. Now I'm gonna create a canopy. For that I'm gonna use a white sari. You can use any color sari, or you can use curtains also. I have tied a rubber band in the middle of the sari, and I'm gonna hang it on the hook. So you can use a nail also, but if you are a renter, try to use this kind of hooks because this kind of hooks are very easy to remove. As you can see, I have hanged the sari, and now I'm gonna tuck the sari from both the sides below the mattress. So in the middle of the canopy I have kept a dream catcher, and it is going so nicely with the color of this bedsheet and the pillow covers. Now it's time to put some plants. First I'm gonna keep this basket which is made up of cloth. Inside it I'm gonna put a snake plant, and the other plant which I'm using here is monstera. So whenever you want to decorate any area, just try to keep some plants there, and it will give you a very beautiful and aesthetic look. I have so many different indoor plants in my house in different corners, and they just give a amazing look, as well as it is good for our health. After putting these two plants, this corner looks so lively and colorful. You can use as number of plants you wish to, or you can skip it, but I personally love keeping plants. And on the other side I have kept a money plant. I have hanged a money plant. The hanger which I have used, I bought it from Home Center, and there are many different color options also available there. It is very sturdy and I just love this hanger. So on the canopy I have used this kind of lights, so it is completely skippable. If you don't like lights, you can skip this, but as you can see, after putting this light, this whole area is brightened up and it is looking so different, and I just love the look. And I have not used so many things here. I have used very less things. Then also this area is looking so beautiful. Here I have not used so many different colors. I have used 2-3 colors like purple, pink and white, and I have played with these 3 colors. Try to use less colors and the area will look very beautiful. See, on the other side of the bed I have put this DIY lamp. I have a dedicated video on this lamp, you can check it out. I had given link in the description box, or else you can tap up and check it out. So it is very easy to make. So if you are a book lover like me, you can keep these books in a basket like this, so that you can carry it in your living room, bedroom, anywhere. It becomes very easy for you, as well as it looks organized, and it gives you a nice decor feeling. So yeah. So on the other side I have kept my guitar, which is gifted by my brother, and you can put any of the decorative items which you wish to, but try to keep very less things, not put so many things and make the space cluttered. Try to put less things, and yeah, this is how the final look of the bedroom, and I hope you will like this look, because it is very minimal and it is very simple and it is very easy to create. So that's it guys, this is all about bedroom decor, and I hope you liked all these ideas and you like this look. Do let me know in the comment section about my video, and see you next time. Bye bye and take care.